This demo is for educational purposes only. We are not encouraging you to use pirated copy or crack version of this great application. 2 reasons why you don't want to use a pirated copy from unknown person or a group of persons. Danger. A pirated copy may contain malicious script, virus, bugs and botnets that can harm your computer and steal your personal information and use for an unlawful practices, such as fraud, fake accounts, robbery and many more. Support. In times of failure, projects done in Corel Draw will impassively be recovered because pirated version doesn't have support from Corel Technical Support Group. Installing Corel Draw, Suite 18. First, disable network connectivity. Locate your Corel Draw installer. Double-click Corel Launcher.exe to begin installation process. Click Continue. Tick checkbox, and click Accept. Open Crack folder, and open Keygen.exe. Temporary disable real-time protection of your antivirus, or exclude the file location or the file itself. Run Keygen. Select Corel Draw Suite X8. Click Generate Serial Number. Copy serial number. Paste the serial number. Click Next. Select Typical installation. Wait till the installation process completed. This may take a while depending on your computer hardware. Do not continue. Close the installer. Go to Corel Draw installation folder. On search, type R-M-P *.dll. Then hit enter. Delete or rename those 5 DLL files. Again on search, type hmp *.dll. Then, rename, or delete this DLL file. Now open the installed Corel Draw application. Done. You can now enjoy Corel Draw Graphics Suite 18 for the rest of your life.